All right, guys, here's a quick idea. If you can't find a GPT that does what you need, or if you just want to add your own custom functions to ChatGPT without the API, you can use ChatGPT in order to create or have certain functions be controlled automatically on your phone. This is a simple one, but you can expand this to a bunch of other things, and I'll show you my library of functions, right? So you have functions library. You can create a bunch of functions to do whatever it is that you need. And then functions execute will execute those functions. So for example, and again, this example I have here is when I was using the API through here. But basically, it can go through and create memes, text-to-speech, whatever. Obviously, a lot of these features are now provided automatically, but just think of different ideas that you can do. So this is a basic example, right? Let's say I want to create memes automatically. And obviously, again, you can still just request, hey, generate an image of whatever, a meme. But this just gives you an example of how you can control your phone with the LLM to create different things, right? So this is the output I'm looking for. So once I got it to give me the output the way I want it, I was like, okay, we're going to generate an image from this with text, right? So we're going to create a meme on my phone using the response. So this is what it looks like, right? All right, we're going to generate our meme. Boom. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and replace the temp JSON file here, so that now I can check that GPT is going to give me the same output. So let's see. JSON on the wrong file here, so let's fix that. Create a meme about Batman slapping Robin over sushi. All right. See? So that's example. And I can remove this here. Let's try again. Again, I'm not selecting photos. I just have it select the last photo. So, but you can basically change it to do whatever you want, right? So let's do another one. It's Taco Tuesday, Robin, but Batman, today is Wednesday. There you go, right? So now you have an idea of basically being able to do that. And then on ChatGPT, what you need to do is, this is what I did. And you go to personalization, and you basically give it a tool. So I basically copied the same system that we use on the API. And I say, use these tools when appropriate, always output in JSON, and be sure to add the finished recent field tool called name and tool fields, right? And basically it's gonna give us the response in JSON, which we can then use to extract the values that we need for our specific assignment. And that's a way to get around if you don't have the API or you don't feel like doing the API, and we can probably simplify it. But that's just a quick example if you guys are interested in doing something like that.